Hello everybody, welcome to Paracrew. Today I'm going to be unboxing a kit of Vengeance LPX RAMs by Corsair. We have a 16GB kit over here, which I have ordered as part of my PC upgrade plan. I'm going to be upgrading my whole rig, and this is the first part to arrive. Let's take a look inside. And there you go, we have a set of white DIMMs. Let's open these up. Wow, these are actually kind of lighter than I anticipated. You know, the heatsinks online looked much heavier. Gotta say, this white color on the heatsinks really looks nice, and the black PCB really goes with it. I'm gonna pair these with an ASRock AB350M Pro 4, which is also black and white. This will really look neat on it. And there we go, we have both DIMMs, and yeah, let's go ahead and install these. Okay, so now let's go ahead and install these bad boys. Okay, so now we'll push these in. Let's line them up. And gently push them in until we hear the click, and then the safety will go on. And let's install the second one. And there we go, we've installed our couple of DIMMs. Now let's see if the system posts.
And there you go, guys, we've booted up, and as you can see, we have now 16 gigs of RAM. Sadly, on my current system I can't overclock them, so I'm forced to run these sticks at 2133 MHz, but once I get my Ryzen 7 CPU, I will be able to push these DIMMs to the limit, and I will surely make a video about that then. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome content. I will see you in the next video.